Tonight's homework is going to be on multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Now, this is something that we were working on before spring break and we are working on now as well. So please make sure that you are really practicing this, and if you still don't understand it on this sheet, you definitely need to come see me. Okay? Our first one is 5 times 1/5. Now, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to actually show you a different one so you have a little bit more practice. So I'm going to come over to the side and I'm going to do 7 times 1/4. All right, equals, well, let's look here. I'm going to put a 1 under the 7, and I'm going to have 7 times 1 equals 7. 1 times 4 equals 4. Please make sure you're in your head, make sure in your head that you are truly saying to yourself 1 times 4 equals 4. We are multiplying over here, which is why we need another number down below. All right, or we need to simplify into a mixed number. How many times can 4 go into 7? This is that long division or just division in general. 4 into 7, 1 time. We have 3 left over as the remainder, and 4 below. Something we focused on last unit. All right, let's do it one more time. 8 times 2/3 equals. Put your 1 below. 8 divided by 1 is still 8 whole. 8 times 2 is 16. 1 times 3 is 3. Oop, I'm just going to put or. You could put an equal sign because you are simplifying. However, we've been doing or, so we'll go ahead and continue that. 3 into 16. 3 goes into 16 5 times with a remainder of 1 out of 3. Okay. Now, you have down here, write a multiplication equation to represent the problem and then solve. So equation would be similar to this up here, and you do need to solve just as we did. On your practice, you have some multiplication. Please make sure that you are showing your work on that. And just to give us a heads up for tomorrow again, if we are looking at multiples of something, if I said 4/8, that is really 1/8. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's backtrack that. Oh, never mind. Never mind, this is exactly what I want. Sorry, guys. 4/8 equals 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. That is the addition problem. Okay, now let's look at what would be the multiplication problem. That would be 1/8 times 4 would get you 4/8. So this is a multiple. Another way that you could do this without saying it's a multiple, and to give you an idea of multiplication with fractions, which would be a 5th grade skill, would be 2 times 2 and 4 times 2. That right there would also get you 4/8. Please make sure that you can do this today. If you're struggling tonight, please place a note on your paper. Good luck!